Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix zoom crashing on Windows. First method is right-click zoom, click open file location. Copy folder path. Click Start, Settings, Display. Click Graphics. Select Desktop App, click Browse, paste folder path. Select zoom.exe, click Add, click Options, check High Performance. Select Desktop App, click Browse, paste folder path. Select Zoom Launcher.exe, click Add. Click Options, check High Performance, click Save. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand cameras, right-click camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.